Re-signing a binary is critical whenever an application needs different signing credentials than the ones it was built with. When you need to distribute an Android application to a different environment, transfer app ownership, or switch to a different Keystore, Appcircle's Re-sign Binary feature lets you re-sign Android binaries easily directly within the platform. You can sign with a new Keystore, choose between manual and automatic re-signing, and convert an app bundle into an APK, all without triggering a new build, so a signing change never turns into a new release cycle. The Resign Binary feature is available across 3 modules in Appcircle: Testing Distribution, Publish to Stores, and Enterprise App Store. Since re-signing is most often needed right before a store submission, let's start with how it works in the Publish to Stores module. Let's go into the previously created Android Re-sign demo publish profile. You can upload a binary manually, automatically from other Appcircle modules, via API, CLI, or through your CI/CD tools like Fastlane, GitHub Actions, Jenkins, and Azure DevOps using Appcircle's ready-to-use plugins. Once you upload an Android binary, it appears on the version list with several actions available. Let's navigate to the Re-sign Binary action and configure the necessary fields and settings to start the manual re-signing process. From the Information tab, you can view the application's package identifier value. Appcircle Publish profiles can accept a binary with a different package name, and you can update it using the Re-sign feature. The package identifier defined for the profile serves as the reference for re-sign. The pool selection field defines which organization pool will be used to execute the re-sign process. Re-signing is also an opportunity to update your version information. From the Versioning tab, you can modify the version code and version name of the selected binary according to a defined strategy during the re-signing process. With the Update Version Code feature, you can set the version code of the selected binary by choosing a version code source. If you select Uploaded Binary, the version code is calculated from the most recent binary uploaded to Appcircle. If you select Google Play Console, it is calculated by referencing the latest live version there. For both of these sources, you also define an offset value. And if you select Fixed, the version code offset field is replaced by a version code text input, and the binary is signed with the exact version code you enter. The Update Version Name feature works the same way, with the same 3 sources and an offset value for the store and binary-based ones. The addition here is the increment strategy, which lets you increase the major, minor, or patch value of the version name. And with the fixed source, you enter the exact version name the binary will be signed with. Appcircle requires a valid Keystore to successfully perform the Android re-sign process. From the Signing tab, you can select a Google Play Console credential, which is only needed when your versioning configuration retrieves version information from the Google Play Console. Next, select the Keystore that will be used for signing. To be selectable, the Keystore must already be added under the Android Keystores section in the Signing Identities module. The re-signing process will be executed using the selected Keystore credentials. You can also enable the Convert AAB to APK option, which converts the uploaded app bundle into an APK using Bundle Tool during the re-signing process. And keep in mind that Android recommends the app bundle format for store distribution. After configuring, click the Sign button. By clicking on the binary, you can follow the re-sign progress while it runs. Once the binary is re-signed, a new package is automatically created to reflect the changes, and a re-signed tag becomes visible. Your binary is now ready to be distributed or released with its new signature without requiring a rebuild. Appcircle can also handle the Android re-sign process automatically through the Auto Re-sign feature. To use Auto Re-sign in the Publish to Stores module, you need to enable the Auto Re-sign toggle within the Publish Settings section. Then, you must define the Auto Re-sign configuration, just like we did for manual re-sign. Appcircle will refer to this configuration for each automatic re-signing process and re-sign incoming binaries accordingly. Since the re-signing flow can fail if something is missing, it is worth double-checking the configuration before you upload a binary. Once Auto Re-sign is enabled and the configuration is completed, the re-signing process will automatically begin as soon as a binary is uploaded to the associated profile, whether uploaded manually or automatically. Let's upload a new binary and see it in action. As you can see, the binary has been automatically re-signed according to the configuration we defined. To see what has been done so far, open the History section for the binary version and go to the Re-sign History tab. This tab keeps a record of every re-sign action performed for that app version, and clicking on any entry opens the details of the operation along with its logs. There is also a dedicated Re-sign report covering both manual and automatic operations across your organization. As mentioned earlier, you can also re-sign your Android binaries in the Testing Distribution and Enterprise App Store modules. In Testing Distribution, you can re-sign your binary before sending it to your testers, both manually and automatically. This is also where the Convert AAB to APK option becomes especially useful, since testers install the app directly on their devices, and an app bundle cannot be installed that way. The configuration structure for manual and auto re-sign is almost the same as the one we just went through. The Enterprise App Store works the same way. You can re-sign a binary before it is distributed internally, both manually and automatically. With Appcircle's Re-sign Binary feature, you have full control over your Android app's signing process across every distribution channel and under a centralized, auditable flow. Thank you for watching.